Hi everyone, this is Danielle from Novel Plan, and boy do I have something exciting for you guys today. I went to my local Michael's and I found all, I think, of the new sticker books. I found quite a few of them, so I am going to go ahead and do flip-throughs for you guys. I also found a vertical and a dashboard layout. I think that they're fairly neutral, so I think people might be interested in seeing these. So I have Sophisticated Florals, I have Happy Plans, I have this one. This is all the plans. This one came out a little while ago, but I haven't been able to find it in stores yet, so I'm going to do this one. I found Save Now, Spend Later, the Friendship one, Good Habits, Colorful Florals. Again, I'm not quite sure if this is a new one, but I haven't seen this in my Michael's. Jungle Vibes, which I'm very excited about. Colorful Leopard, which is another beautiful one. Pressed Florals, another one. I think this may be new, but I'm not entirely positive. It may be one that is just new to my store. The new Indigo, which is beautiful. The Black and White, which a lot of people are excited about. Girl with Goals. And then I picked up this planner, is a dashboard layout 18-month planner. And then this one right here is the vertical layout, also an 18-month planner. And this says You Are Beautiful on it. So I'm going to go ahead and flip through all of these. These are for the new upcoming spring release coming out soon. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so I picked up two of the planners from this release. This one is the dashboard layout in the 18-month planner. So let me pull this up. This cover, it means Love Life. I'm going to butcher this when I say this. La Amour La Vie. Love Life, and it's got the Happy Planner disc on it. This one comes with gold discs. So if we open it up, the first page says this Happy Planner belongs to, and it says hello with these florals. Very pretty. The inside cover is this rainbow striped. You get your 2021 and 2022 calendar in the front. Then you get this perpetual calendar, which starts in July of 2021 and goes all the way through 2022, so you can write in future dates. And then into the months. So this does start in a couple months, so you have some time to get this. But in this planner, you have this front page right here. You have the watercolor at the top. You have, this says Jot It Down, where you have some dot grid, note to self area, and this says important notes and dates. It also at the bottom here has a holiday. It says July 4th, which is Independence Day, so that's interesting. You have your dashboard, and then into your monthly spread. This is beautiful. It is pretty simple. The only color that you have on this entire thing is at the top here. You have this purple color. I'm assuming this is probably going to change every month, but you have this purple color. It says this month. Purple over here. It is a Sunday start date all the way through, and it does have holidays in the monthly spread. So then this is the dashboard layout into the week. It looks like the month of July is all purple, so they're all going to coordinate with the month. So you have this top box, it says Erin's, which is just like a purple background with some dots here. You have a to buy section that's lined, calls and emails, bills to pay. You have a grid section that says focus at the bottom. And then you have just a simple dashboard layout. You have a little bit of strip of purple with purple letters. And it's just nice and simple. You have your little area for each day of the week. And that's how it's going to go throughout the whole month of July. You're going to get the purple color. And then when you get into August, it looks like August is green. It's the same layout. Your dashboard, Life is Sweet. And then you go into your green. So let's take a look at all the dashboards. There's August. September is this beautiful fall with gold foil. It says Change. October has all the fall vibes with the candle and the mushrooms. November is Thankful with gold foil. December says Joyful. Ooh, that's pretty. Silver foil. And then this January is just Snow. It says New Day, New Start. February, La Amour. I don't think I'm saying that right. La Vie, Love Life. March, Feeling Lucky in Life. April just says Good with some florals. May has pretty pink florals. June, Hello Sunshine. July, Vacation Days, Bring On the Summer. You have some rainbows, Good Things Are Coming August. September, you just have the Rainbow Stripes. Magical for October in 2022. Grateful for So Much for November. And December says Cheerful. And then if we go to the back, here is your last week of 2022. And then you just have the one notes page that says notes in the back. And that's it. So I would say this one is fairly neutral. It's not completely neutral. You do get, you know, the color in through here a little bit, but it's very pretty and the cover is gorgeous and stunning. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see one or two of the other planners from this release, head on over to my channel. I also have quite a few of the new sticker books if you want to see those as well. There is a playlist on my channel with all of the things that I found at my Michaels.